Welcome student. In previous lecture we start this lesson, that is the peer profile. Okay, so we have to make a sheet of our profile. Okay. Let us continue with this lesson. After you have collected the field in sheets from your friends, go through all of them and make a notes of each of the point. Use the notes to write a report about your friend, likes, dislikes, habits, favorite personalities, etc. You can present your report orally or in writing. Remember the following things when you make a written or oral presentation. Uh, First point is, you need not mention the name of your friend in your presentations. You should only give a summary of what you observe in the response given by many people. Second point is, your presentations should clearly shows what many and most people enjoy, appreciate, fear, etc. What only some of them mention and what only one or two mention. If necessary, you may point out what is not mentioned by any one of people. For example, you may say, it appears that nobody is afraid of examination, as no one has included them in these things they fear. Next point, you should also mention what you found most interesting in the response at the end of your presentation. You must take care to see that you do not hurt anyone's feeling when you get the sheet filled or when you make your presentation. Okay, so here are some points through which we can make a summarize what you makes the oral presentations or in a writing notes. So sometimes when you make a summary about some observations of the people, you have to give informations to that peoples about this presentation is and you do not have to mention the name of the persons on which you summarize these notes. Your presentations should clearly shows what many and the most people enjoy, appreciate, and fear what only some of them mention. So here are the points. Here we make the report of the people through to whom we observe in day to day in the school, in our surroundings, etc. You should mention what you found the most interesting in the response at the end of your presentations. So when you make presentations, at the end you can give the response about the people that on which you are make the note. So here we completed these lessons by reading. Okay, it is one of the small lesson. First, they gives us a peer report about one person's with the different points about him, and the response from him, uh, which includes many things of his life. um, Such reports, if we make about the friends, it's about the personality of the friends, his likes and dislikes, habits and favorite personalities which he experiences, and you collect that informations in the report type by orally or writing. So here you are going to make presentations in a written form and orally. But if you want to write down a report about some other your friend, first you have to give informations to that friend, so you can get the response uh, of making a note on them, their habit and their um, your presentations should clearly shows what many and most people enjoy. So when you make a presentations, in your presentations you must have the points about the enjoyment of the people, and the appreciation of the people, and a fear means not actual fear, but it is a type one type of fear that the persons didn't like to be share that experiences. uh, mm, and next point, when you make a report on the other persons or friends, you should not have to mention uh, um, a person point uh, that people dislike it. And other point is, if they did not have any interesting to give the response, you have to end your presentation, so the relations can be maintained between you and people surrounding you on which you are going to make the report or a note. So we must take care that when we are going to make any note or report, we must take care about that persons should not get hurt by our presentation. So here in these lessons we are going to uh, studied the making reports on the presentations. It is one type of interview, making interview of the different personalities which are surrounding, such as our good friends. Uh, Let us read that the note given into the bracket. It is this is a language oriented project, and therefore it is necessary that the student do it independently. So the above notes is is a project given to the students, uh, uh, we to make a note or a report surrounded to him. uh, he everyone every student is surrounded with their friends and neighboring persons. So and here give them instructions to make this report without any help taking any help uh, of any friends. Let us continue with this note, that is using many language skill, like approaching people politely, putting putting together the informations gathered under the proper categories in a relevant manner. So here, when you are going to make a report, you have to be polite and respectful to the other persons, so you can get the more and more informations about the other person. Mm, uh, Putting together the informations gathered under the proper categories in a relevant manner. So we have to make a note uh, which has divided into different categories. uh, so the informations collected in a proper through a proper manner, and making a note about that informations on the paper through a proper way, preparing a report on what they observe and presenting the report briefly, but in an interesting manner. So when you make a report and you have to be present that report before your teacher or elder persons, that report should be interesting. Some children should be allowed to present the report orally in the classroom. So teacher should see that the personal remarks are not made during the presentation preparations and the presentations of the report. So here we must be careful. We must have a careful about the no. We must not hurt through this report and presentation uh, anyone's sentiment. So we can make good presentations and good report and good summarize it and present it in the school. Okay. So here I think we completed this lesson, uh, completed these lessons with the reading and having explanations. Okay. uh, having explanations about the how to make a report, okay, and which points should included in the report, so you can get the more and more informations about your surrounding, okay. So we can achieve making report on our on the surroundings. So here we completed this lesson, that is peer profile. It is one type of project. Here they give a project. So this lesson is a project given to the student uh, uh, to make this project on the 10 of the friends. So we you have to make a sheet of this of your friends, and get the informations about the friend. So here we completed this lesson.